Welcome to Agent Kobe on 2 News. Are you ready for Mr. Me Too? Because I am. They posted this thing, okay, in their community. And it shows Evil the Broken Mask and Mr. Me Too. Evil and the Broken Mask will be coming soon, by the way. And Kaplarans already confirmed it. And this is their concept art. Ice Cream 7 will be coming soon. Let's go! And here are some fan-made Ice Cream 7 photos. This is by Sunplays Gaming. This is fan-made mini rock. And I forgot. I'm super sorry that I don't know, but that's okay. But tell me in the comments. I hope you liked the video, and so click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye and see you soon.